So, cleanups for the shorelines. How y'all doing? There's a puppy. Look at the puppy. Hey, puppy. How y'all doing?
Good,
You catch a lot of fish?
No, you look. See over there.
Oh yeah.
We got it. That one in Texas City Dike.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. Oh, some little croaker.
Yeah.
I can't believe you catch a croaker. No, we do patrol. We do look for the basura, the trash. We look at the plastics and the like all the trash. Yeah, we do cleanups. And the plastic bag when you're done, if you put it in the
I know. I will put it over there.
Amigo, thank you so much. Gracias. Hey, my name is Billy Ray, and this is Ruben.
Ruben, Francisco.
Francisco and
That's my wife.
Ruben.
Nice to meet
Texas
you.
All-Water Fishing. Y'all can find us on YouTube. And y'all can see a cleanup we just did.
Saltwater. We like it. We see the video.
Oh, you saw the video with the truck?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, we were at Bolivar cleaning a couple weeks ago. Windows on your brother. What do you got, a trash can, Ruben? It's used. It takes up 50% of the trash. Say it again. It takes up 50% of the trash. Like, thank you. See y'all later. You have a good day.